guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, I'm going to be taking a working hard drive out of this old computer. It still works, it's just very slow. And putting in a hard drive that is supposedly broken. I have taken it apart. We're going to see if a hard drive that I've taken apart before will still work. So, let's get started by flipping over this computer and unscrewing the hard drive slot. Yes, it's this old that it has slots for RAM and stuff, but I kind of like these slots more than how they are today. It's easier to take stuff out. Also, my brother, Brennan, is filming this. I hope it's good. Okay, let's pop out this hard drive. Toshiba hard drive. I like Toshiba. Okay, and let's start to unscrew this from its case. Yeah, that one came out. Also, guys, if you didn't know, I've always loved technology. This is just the first technology video we're making on our channel.
It's pretty clear that you love technology, dude.
Yeah, I know. But I've loved it since I was like 4. And I'm 9 if you want to know that, so 5 years.
And we're not zoomed in, it just looks zoomed in.
Brennan, can you show this?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to keep on unscrewing that. Also, I'm making it focus. Sorry if it wasn't focusing. I tried to make it focus just a second ago. So if it isn't focused, sorry. Okay, people, now we're just going to properly flop it out. This is our drive that was in there. And now, we're going to slide in the supposedly...
Wait, what hard drive was that?
It was just in the closet before, and I took it to Grandpa. Okay. I really hope I'm not just destroying this by rubbing the place where the sticker's supposed to be all over this black stuff, because otherwise I can't use this case anymore. And you need to have a case, if you didn't know, to put in the case. So, screw this back in. Okay. Also, guys, if you don't want to watch through this part, you can skip ahead to the part where I plug it in. But if you do, a loyal viewer, well,
I know it'll not take that long to start up. Be real, guys.
Yeah, it doesn't take that long. Just like it's slow when it's like actually running.
It's already been 3.
And I've run virtual machines. Windows 98 virtual machines run faster than this computer.
Yeah. That's how slow that computer is.
Sorry if this one screw, guys. Like it's stuck. It won't go in.
Boom.
Come on.
Boom.
Go in. Seriously. Sorry. People right here. Yeah. Oh wait, I figured out why it wasn't working, guys. I needed to press down.
Nice. Okay, guys, we're all done.
And now I just need to slide it down. And sorry for that, my brother just slipped. Okay, let's slide in the
hard drive instead of the hard drive instead of this hard drive. So I'm getting that hard drive
instead of the one that we just took out that we know works because I have Windows 10. Okay, guys, this one is a completely clear hard drive that has nothing on it.
This is almost
probably like the day before we upload it. Maybe a little before.
Guys, this is almost done. And then we're gonna turn on Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna plug this in. Yeah. My brother's just gonna plug that in. He's right there. Got it. I'm gonna turn on screen. Okay. Oh yeah, guys. I'm gonna flip this back around. This is kind of hard. Now
Okay,
we need to flip it the other way. Okay, I see the charging port. And we're all in. Okay. Okay, we can see the lights. Know that it's definitely prepared. Brendan, take the camera again. Okay, it's a really ugly computer. This is my old computer, but I tried my best to speed it up. This computer is unspeed-upable. Oh, and let me show you guys that there's nothing on this.
And guys, this is like the laggiest thing in the world. Be wait.
So once this loads, I'm just going to show you guys that there's no files on the whole thing. Why is it taking so long to get past this? This should not... Maybe it's because there's no files on the drive. Okay, I'm going to just...
It shouldn't take
F12.
Maybe it just doesn't work because of the hard drive.
No, this works. It's loading. Okay, yes, okay, I got it. USB. Come on. Load. I got the Windows symbol for a sec. It's just doing that. Come on, think. Yeah. Also,
This video has been going for pretty long.
It's been going. It's really interesting.
It's been going for like 7 minutes.
Nice.
Now exactly 7 minutes.
I'm gonna shut off the Wi-Fi for now. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep it on.
Now I want to know.
Windows 10. Why do I feel like this is like Why do I feel like this is like a 480p screen? I don't even feel like this is a 720p. I mean, my computer right now is a 720 screen. And my school computer over there is also a 720. And Brennan's is a 720. But we're filming with 180. As you can see, maybe in the reflection of the thing, I'm holding the camera. It's an iPad.
What's up, guys? Welcome back.
And it's loading. Still loading, people. Like I said, this says 3.8 gigabytes of RAM down there. And I used Rufus to put Windows 10 on this. It's just loading. This might take a minute or so. So, hey, it's done. It did something. And. Okay, guys, we got the windows. We got the windows to pop up. Okay. Setup is starting. Guys, I'm just going to cut for you guys until it's done saying that. It's loaded. We don't have a product key. We just use, So, I'm just going to hit that. And we're going to use Windows 10 Pro for workstations because Windows 10 Pro is just harder to use. So, let's go down to 110 Pro for workstations. It's going to load. And you have to check I accept. And we're going to pick custom because we're not in Windows. And we're going to make sure that the whole thing, Windows can't be installed on this drive. Windows cannot be installed to this disk. This computer's hardware may not support booting to this disk. Ensure that the disk controller is enabled in the computer's BIOS menu. This may fail soon. If other hard disks are available, install Windows to another location. It looks like. So, it looks like the disk may fail soon. We have completed our thing. It definitely does not work on hard drives that you've taken apart. Well, we know that now. So, thank you guys for watching. Your other videos.
Now you guys know that it doesn't work if you take apart a hard drive.
Don't try to take apart hard drives yourself. I had to do it with my grandpa. He worked for HP and built computers. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and